students, welcome to class. Remember the lesson. You're not a baby and you're not a cow. Cow's milk is for baby cows. Recently, a 9-year-old boy almost died in California because he drank cow's milk. Here's what happened. But before we get into it, make sure that you have liked and subscribed to this video and also press the notification bell so you don't miss anything going forward. Let's check it out.
Milk nearly killed a 9-year-old child. An outbreak of salmonella in Southern California has sickened 171 people and hospitalized 22, including a 9-year-old boy. The boy's skin went gray and became so dehydrated from diarrhea that he could no longer stand. And this is just the latest example of the public health threats caused by animal ag. 2 people have died in the last few weeks from eating contaminated deli meats. A mother and her child suffered serious and permanent injuries after eating chicken nuggets at McDonald's. And nationwide, a deadly form of avian flu, H5N1, is jumping from chicken farms to dairies to cats. Traces are being found in 1 in 5 dairy products across the nation. And if it jumps to humans, it could be 10 times worse than COVID-19. Animal ag isn't just killing them, it's killing us. So isn't it time that we build a food system that promotes life instead of ending it?
I'd say yes. I think the answer is that we should be promoting life instead of ending it. Being vegan is a moral baseline. It just makes sense. There's no reason to drink cow's milk or eat cheese that comes from cow's milk. We can easily be vegan. If you haven't yet watched the documentary called Dairy is Scary on YouTube, I encourage you to watch it, and you'll see why animal rights activists are so passionate about trying to get through to you on this subject. By the way, in case you're wondering, we're looking at my desk. I have all these little cards here that are plastified because I use them during my live videos over on TikTok, where I have over 1 million followers, and I do lives there almost every day. The channel, in case you're looking for it, is called Music by That Vegan Teacher. You just go to tiktok.com and then you just type in Music by That Vegan Teacher. Have you ever really stopped to ask yourself why you're not vegan yet? What is it that prevents you? I know you don't want to hurt animals. I know you couldn't yourself walk up to a little pig that's 6 months old and shove her into a gas chamber and push the button. So why do you eat bacon, sausage, and ham? Why do you eat pepperoni and salami? I know you like the taste, but I know you don't want to hurt animals. So why don't you take the first steps towards becoming vegan and educate yourself? You can first of all find out all kinds of different products that you can replace meat with, and then you can Google vegan recipes. And you need to stop being afraid. It's true, it does take some courage to come out as a vegan. And yes, you will be attacked by people who are going to be asking you, where do you get your protein and where do you get your B12 and all of that. But your answer should always be this: I'm vegan because I don't want to hurt animals, and I'm not perfect, but I'm doing my best. You don't need to have all of the answers about all of the nutrients. You're not somebody who took a 4-year course to be a dietitian. So tell everyone that. Just say, I don't want to be the reason that any animal screams in fear. I don't want to be the reason any mother cow is crying because somebody stole her baby away. Wouldn't it feel great to be the first one in your family to be vegan? Imagine how proud you would feel to be the first one to be able to stand up proudly and say, I refuse to hurt animals anymore. I refuse to pay people to murder them on my behalf. I refuse to be the reason that a mother chicken is looking around for her eggs and wondering what happened to them. By the way, if you need a gift for someone, you can buy this mug over on my little channel there, underneath the YouTube videos that I post. There's like a little shop. Makes a great gift. And if you put it on a desk, it's a way to start the conversation about veganism. You can do it.
If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and press the notification bell. I'll see you all next time. Bye for now.
Let's follow that vegan teacher on YouTube right now. Let's help her save every chicken, pig, and cow. Let's follow that vegan teacher.